So dear students, welcome to the second part of Maths class standard 6. Last exercise we have already started and question number 1 we have finished. Question number 2. Sarika bought 2/5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3/4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Nothing to worry here, nothing new. Total length, it means you have to add. So total length of ribbon 2/5 plus 3/4. Now it is same as the question number 1, how you are adding these fractions. Same method you have to repeat here. Okay, so you will get 23/20 meter. You can convert this one into mixed fraction. So 1 3/20 meter. Next, question number 3. Naina was given 1/2, it means 1.5 piece of cake. Nazma was given 1/3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake given to both of them. Here also you have to find out total amount. So total cake taken, you have to add, but here mixed fractions are there. You have to convert them into the improper fraction or proper fraction. So how to convert, you know, 2 ones are 2 plus 1. So it will be 3. 3/2. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4/3. Now again as per the question number 1, add them up. So you will get 17/6 and convert into the mixed fraction. So you will get 2 5/6. Next, question number 4, fill in the boxes. You have to fill. So here any fraction will be there, minus 5/8. You are getting 1/4. So what you can do here, directly you can't give the answer. So here you have to use transposition method, because this dash you have to keep as it is. You transpose this minus 5/8 to the right side. So it will be plus. So it will be 1/4 plus 5/8. Okay. So here it is given 1/4 plus 5/8. Now once again as per the question number 1, you have to add two fractions. Find out the LCM. LCM is 8. So here you have to multiply it by 2. 2 ones are 2. And here 8 is already given, so no need to multiply. So 5 as it is. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7/8. Second one, in this second sum you have to do the same thing. Shift this, transpose this minus 1/5 to the right side. So it will be 1/2 plus 1/5. 1/5. Solve them, you will get 7/10. Next, see, in this example what you can do, 1/2 as it is, this 1/6 transpose to the left side. So it will be negative, because here it is a positive. So let's see how to do. 1/2 minus 1/6. Now subtraction of two fractions, how to do, you know, then you can solve it. So you will get 2/3, or else it will be 1/3. But here 2/6 is the right answer. No need to reduce, make in a reduced form. Question number 5. Complete the addition and subtraction box. So here two boxes are given. Vertically you have to subtract and horizontally you have to add. How to do, let's see. 2/3 minus 1/3. It's a 2/3 minus 1/3. So 2 minus 1, 1 and 3 denominator. So here in the first box your answer is 1/3. Same thing you have to repeat here. You have to subtract them. Whatever answer you are getting, that will be the answer here. Now horizontally you have to add them. 2/3 plus 4/3. So 2 plus 4, 6/3, or else it's a 2. Okay. Here in the second column, second row also you have to add them. Same thing you have to repeat for the second box. Subtract them and write down answer here. Here also subtract these two fractions, write down the answer here. Okay, and next thing, you will think how you got this box answer. So here you can add these two things because horizontal you are adding. Okay, after subtracting first two fractions and these two fractions, you will get two answers here. At last you have to add them, so you will get here answer. Same thing you have to repeat here. Next, question number 6. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? This is the one wire that is broken into two parts. Okay, full length it is a 7 by 8. Okay, this is the full length, and one part length it is given 1 by 4. So what is the length of this second part? It means you have to subtract this two fraction, so you will get the second part's length, that is a 5 upon 2. Remaining part 7 upon 8 minus 1 upon 4 you have to subtract. Question number 7. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometers from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1 by 2 kilometers to reach the school. How far did she walk? Total distance between school and home, that is a 9 upon 10 kilometer, and distance covered by bus 1 by 2 kilometer. So what is the remaining distance? You have to subtract them. Okay, after subtraction you will get 2 by 5 kilometer. So remaining distance she walked 2 upon 5 kilometer. Question number 8. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size, partly filled with books. So book box is there. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full by what fraction? Actually here it's Asha, not Asa. Okay, this is the name. So here fraction of the bookshelf it is given. It is filled. Asha's bookshelf filled 5 by 6 portion and Samuel's 2 by 5th portion. So whose portion is greater, whose fraction is greater, then you have to find out. It means you have to compare them. So how you can compare? Yes, there is one method. If the denominators are same, then you can compare them easily. But here denominators are different, so you can make them equal. Yes, you can make. How? By finding the LCM of their denominators. LCM is 30. So after getting LCM, you have to make them equivalent fraction. So here to get 30 in the denominator, you have to multiply by 5. And in the second fraction, you want 30 in the denominator, so you have to multiply it by 6. So you will get the answer 25 upon 30 and 12 upon 30. Both you can compare. So which one is the greater? First one, Asha's shelf. It means Asha's bookshelf is more covered than Samuel. And difference you have to find out. By how much? So difference, it means subtraction. Okay, you can subtract them. So you will get 13 upon 30. Question number 9. This is the last question. Jaidev takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Time taken by Jaidev. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes. So time taken by Rahul, that is a 7 by 4 minutes. Convert this one into improper fraction. So it will be 11 upon 5 minutes. Who takes less time and by what fraction? Less time. It means again comparison. So to compare the things or to compare any number of fraction, you can compare by two ways. First you can find out the ratio and second one you can make difference. So we will follow the difference method. Subtract them, so you will get 9 upon 20 minutes. The Rahul takes less time, which is 9 upon 20 minutes. And here, who take less time? To find out that one, you have to compare them by making their denominators same, by converting them into equivalent fraction. Okay, so syllabus of first semester is over here. Is there any doubt? Then you can ask me through the school phone number, and paper style that is already sent to you. So in the next lecture we will start revision. Okay, thank you.